Welcome back to Car Garage 05. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance SUVs expected to dominate roads in 2026, the all-new Nissan Patrol Nismo. A machine built for power, luxury, and aggressive performance, this SUV takes the legendary Patrol name to an entirely new level. Nissan has combined racing DNA from Nismo with the strength and prestige of the Patrol, creating an SUV that looks bold, sounds powerful, and feels ready for any challenge. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo immediately grabs attention with its muscular and sporty exterior design. From the front, the massive V-Motion grille now features sharper details and larger air intakes designed to improve airflow and cooling. The signature red Nismo accents are placed across the lower bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser, giving the SUV a more aggressive identity. Slim LED matrix headlights stretch toward the fenders, creating a futuristic appearance, while the redesigned hood adds a more athletic stance. The side profile looks wider and lower than the standard Patrol, thanks to the upgraded suspension setup and larger 22-inch forged alloy wheels. The aerodynamic body kit improves airflow around the vehicle while enhancing road presence. Every angle of the Patrol Nismo feels purposeful. At the rear, Nissan adds a sporty roof spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and a redesigned bumper that makes the SUV look more like a high-performance machine than a traditional family SUV. Step inside the cabin, and the luxury immediately becomes obvious. Nissan has transformed the Patrol Nismo into a premium performance lounge filled with modern technology and high-end materials. The seats are wrapped in quilted leather and Alcantara with red stitching and Nismo logos embossed into the headrests. Carbon fiber trim pieces stretch across the dashboard and doors, giving the interior a motorsport-inspired atmosphere. The dashboard now features a massive curved digital display setup combining the instrument cluster everyday use. Even with all its performance upgrades, the SUV still aims to deliver long-distance comfort and reliability. The sound system inside the Patrol Nismo is expected to be one of the best in its segment. Premium speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin create a concert-like experience for passengers. Ambient lighting with customizable colors enhances the nighttime atmosphere, while panoramic glass roofing makes the interior feel even more spacious and luxurious. The exterior color options are likely to include exclusive Nismo shades such as stealth gray, pearl white, metallic black, and signature dual-tone finishes with red accents. Nissan may also offer special performance packages for buyers wanting even more aggressive styling and upgraded features. The 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo will compete against some of the world's top luxury performance SUVs, including models from Toyota, Lexus, Range Rover, and Mercedes-AMG. However, Nissan's unique combination of durability, performance, luxury, and off-road capability gives the Patrol Nismo its own identity. It's not trying to be just another luxury SUV. It wants to dominate every environment while delivering excitement behind the wheel. For longtime Patrol fans, the arrival of a true modern Nismo version feels like a dream finally becoming reality. The Patrol has always been respected for toughness and reliability, especially in the Middle East and other demanding regions. Now, Nissan is adding a serious performance edge that could attract an entirely new generation of buyers. Pricing is expected to place the Patrol Nismo in the premium luxury SUV category, but many enthusiasts believe the combination of features, performance, and exclusivity will justify the cost. Demand is already growing online as fans wait for official details and release dates. What truly makes the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo special is the balance it offers. It can serve as a luxurious daily family SUV during the week, dominate highways